In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot and Aircall. By the end, you'll have the Aircall app installed from the HubSpot app marketplace, so calls and texts can sync to your CRM, saving you time and keeping activity logs in one place. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to HubSpot with permission to install apps, and that you can log in to your organization's Aircall account to authorize the connection. Begin inside HubSpot. Look to the top right of your screen and click the settings gear icon. That opens your main settings area where all your account level tools live. On the left sidebar, find the section labeled Integrations and click it. This is your home base for connecting HubSpot with other tools your team uses. Next, open Connected Apps. Here you can see anything that's already installed and manage existing connections. Since we're adding something new, we're going to the App Marketplace. Click Go to App Marketplace to open HubSpot's catalog of approved integrations. Once the marketplace loads, use the search bar at the top and type Aircall. Press Enter to search. You'll see a result called Aircall for calling and SMS. Click that listing to open its details page. Take a moment to skim the overview, compatibility notes, and the permissions it requests. This is a good chance to confirm it matches your needs and your HubSpot subscription, and that it's the official Aircall integration. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot may ask you to choose the account you want to connect if you have access to more than one. Review the permissions the app is requesting, then confirm to proceed. At this point, you may be redirected to Aircall to sign in and authorize the connection. Use your organization's approved login and follow the prompts. If you don't have the right permissions to approve apps, reach out to your HubSpot or Aircall admin to complete this step. After authorization, you'll be brought back to HubSpot. Return to Connected Apps to confirm that Aircall now appears in your installed apps. You might see a brief syncing period while the connection finalizes. That's normal. From here, you can access the app settings directly within HubSpot whenever you need to review permissions or update preferences. That's it. You click the settings gear, opened integrations, went to Connected Apps, launched the app marketplace, searched for Aircall, opened the Aircall for calling and SMS listing, and installed it. If you run into issues, try refreshing the page, disabling pop-up blockers, or checking your permission level. Once installed, you're set to bring your calls and SMS activity right into HubSpot for smoother, more complete customer records.